Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial for all of the beginner of Capcut user. So here I would like to tell you how to start a new project on a Capcut. First thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and here's the look when you already open the Capcut application. If you haven't started any project yet, so these projects will be blank since you have no project on it. So to create a new project, you just need to go click this new project that's shown on the screen with this big size. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to choose what video or photos that you want to add into your project. You can choose the video from your device, or you can also choose the photo from your device. But if you have no good photo or great videos from your device, you just need to go click a stock videos, because Capcut also provide you with a lot of videos sources. So you just need to find out what video that you want to have into your project. For example, these two. And after you're done choosing the video, you just need to go click add. And now you already have the video on your project. That's all the way how to create a new project, guys. If you already satisfied with editing, if you already finished with editing, you can do click this to export. But if you haven't finished yet, you just need to go click X to go back into the home section, and here will be appear your projects that in the middle of editings. You can go back, click this project to do the editing or to continue your editing. That's all the way for today's tutorial. So if you find out this tutorial is quite get you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.